Alright, family, friends, trolls and assholes, it's your friendly neighborhood Big Red Ogre back at you again for the second part. I brought Trouble along with me this time. She wanted to check it out. Oh, I hope I make it in time. I'm missing the extraction, damn it. They said I'm allowed to step up here, so. Stay on here. I want to see this come out. It's DNA towing and storage, it looks like. Over here doing the job to get it out. Like I said, that thing rocked into that pole pretty good. They probably had to dig out underneath it a little bit. That frame is bent pretty good. They won't let me in front of the truck, damn it. I can't see the guy doing the thing. Alright, I'll be right back. Come with me. We're going to cross to the other side. We can because there's slope. Everything's blocked off so I can get across. Well, they got to get it out. They got to pull it a little bit to get it underneath. So.
You guys might want to stand over there.
I'm behind the cops. They're protecting me. If it's going to hit anybody, it's going to hit them first. That's what we pay them for. Oh, and there he goes. I hope I got the wiggle of the pole. I'll go in and check out the pole after. Good job. One simple tug and out it comes.
That's impressive.
No. No, the tires don't look half bad. See if I can get a better zoom in. I almost look like it could be snow tires from here. It's hard to tell. But after they leave and the gaggle is gone. Thank you. I appreciate your concern, brother. I really do. You're just doing your job, man. I know you don't want anything to happen. I gave you guys a shout out on the video too. So that's right there. It's hard to see with the lettering. DNA towing and storage. It's hard to catch the number. It's 705-795-0993. Anybody in Barrie stuck or need a tow, I guess give them a call. But yeah, that thing is in messed up shape. And he's gonna hook it up, probably tow it the hell out of here. Pretty wild. I like this. fire trucks, cop cars everywhere, got everything all blocked off, and they still come down. Say hello to everybody. That was trouble, everybody. Oh, they're allowed to laugh. They see it all. You know, they're probably just talking about whatever. Well, the lady's not here. She's gone. She's safe. She wasn't super injured. On the all in all, with a lot of accidents, this is pretty minor.
Minor?
Yeah, nobody got hurt. The pole didn't come down. We didn't lose our power. They don't have to shut the hydro off because the hydro truck's not here anymore. At least I don't see it.
How bad did the lady get smashed up?
The airbag went off, so her face hit the airbag and probably hurt her neck a bit. Maybe felt like she got punched in the face pretty bad. So what happened was, she came around here. Ooh, where'd my finger go? She came around here really, really fast and spun out and lost control and wham, right into the tree. Oh, obviously. You see how fast when we walk into school and back all the time, how fast people go, right? This guy in a dump truck's just pulling up on the tow truck driver. He sees that he's doing a job. Oops, sorry guys. Wow, I'm gonna go. That's intense. I think she might need a new rad. Yeah, she might need a new radiator. Whoa, that thing's rough. Now I can get a really good close up on the tires. Oh, the tires don't look like they're in bad shape. I wouldn't have these type of tires on a truck though. That's for sure, especially with nothing in the back. You know, I guess they are truck tires, but still they're not the most truckety truck tires in my opinion. That is rough. What's up? I forgot to. I'll do it after. I'm in mid-video. I don't know how to take a picture. Oh. Oh. Well, see, I was just taught something. I was taking a couple of pictures mid-video. I didn't know I can do that. There we go. That's awesome. I just learned something new today from trouble. Yeah, I shall do that, I promise. She may be in her mid-30s, early 30s. If everybody sees the other video and doesn't think that, I'm not trying to be mean, but that's what I was thinking. Maybe late 20s. But a little bit. I tried not to get her too much. So after all this is hooked up and they're gone, we're going to go across and take a picture of the pole too. That's crazy.
I want Starbies.
Well, he's almost got this thing hooked up. Like I said, the tires aren't bad, so I think it's just a style of tire and the fact that there was nothing in the back and it's light and rainy out. That's about it. I think, and speed. obviously speed's going to be a giant factor. We got Electra Utilities. Come check out the pole. From here, it doesn't look like the pole's all that bad. I'll get up and look at it after. Rear tires are all locked up. Yep. That's what an airbag. Sorry?
Was it all the way at the back?
I think those are side airbags and front airbags. So they, because of how hard she hit, all the airbags in the deployed. Because if there's everybody who's in the car, that car doesn't know if there's only one person or if it's full, right? So it's got to deploy all the airbags. But yeah,
I still think she was kind of speeding.
I do believe she was speeding. There's no way to come around there and do what she did with that much damage without driving faster than you should have been. Daddy's driven a lot. Even the cops and the fire department all said the same thing. The speed was a definite factor. I thought maybe the tires would have been, but like I said, the tires don't look bad. They're just not the right style tire for a truck that's got no weight in the back. That's got low on air, but it is what it is. Okay, we're gonna make our way back over and across, and I'm gonna go take pictures of the pole. I had to lift it up and over Trouble's head. And these are the brave firemen that came and checked everything out. Like I said, Barrie Fire and Emergency Services, established 1844. So Barrie was established maybe around that time, I guess. This is pump number 1. Like I said, they got awesome, awesome colors. I like the wrap. And we're gonna get Trouble home before she ends up having to swim home because it's raining. But we're gonna go and do this properly so that the popos don't give me trouble for crossing the street illegally. Sorry, I was burping. All right, now we can cross. We got the little walkie van. Now we're going to come over here. Oh, blurry glove hand in here. The other side of the truck. Having a good day, gentlemen.
How did you figure out there's
When I heard the fire truck show up and I saw the lights in the backyard, I'm like, that's nuts. This is the damage and remnants, all the crap that's left over, part of the piping, part of the truck, chain. Shit, there's part of her truck right here. So, no, leave it. What is it? Gotta take that.
$50? I'm stealing money.
Well, that's the damage done to the poles. They are in these hard protective things. And then that, oh, those cable outers are pretty strong. That looks like garage door opener or some sort. Oops. All right. Well, there we go, folks. That was an exciting day.
Exciting.
That's the top of her head.
No.
You can't see everything. You can only see the top of her pretty red hair. People have seen, you guys have seen her before, but I try my best. All right, these guys are done. No, don't worry about that. I was gonna let them know there's a piece of her she might need. Hey brother, that was sitting there too, just in case she needs it. It might be for hauling. It might be a button for hauling and stuff like that. Just in case, I don't want her to miss anything. She's had a hard enough day as it is. Alright, you ready? Down the hill. One more shot of that. Up.
Oh, look at the side.
Oh, I missed that. Good eye. Oh, that's the one side that the truck was hugging on this side. That tore a lot of that out. All right.
You got some fibers on you?
Yeah, of course I do. I probably got more than that now that you notice one. You notice one of those little burrs? There's tons everywhere else. All right. Let's see what we can do for a better outro.
I wonder if the girl screams.
I have no idea. All right. So when we got two different color cop cars here. We got these ones and we got these ones. All right, family, friends, trolls, and assholes, your friendly neighborhood Big Red Ogre saying have a great night. Love, respect, friendship. And remember, drive safe out there, man. Drive safe.